guys, this is me Gab and this is my cousin Janica.
Anong sasabihin?
Action! Hi guys, this is me Gab and this is my cousin Janica. And today we're going to make the Flan blah blah blah. What do we need, Janica? What do we need, Janica? What do we need, Janica?
We need condensed, evap, and 3 eggs.
And a cup of sugar and gelatin powder.
So now let's start.
We mix these 3 eggs.
So then we made the evap.
Nice.
Then the condensed.
Now let's set aside.
Next, we are gonna make the jelly.
Give me this. Give me the water. Nice.
Okay.
So you pour the water here. That. There you go. Put this water aside there. This is all we cut it. We cut this plastic powder.
Ginagawa mo.
So you pour this gelatin powder here. Like that. Next, we are going to set this aside. And we are going to put the sugar here. Next, we are going to put this in the stove to make caramel. Make sure your parents are with you because you might get burned.
One eternity later.
Now the sugar is already caramelized. Now we are going to boil the gelatin.
A few minutes later.
This is the boiled gelatin mixture. Then we are going to put the egg mixture together.
Nice.
This is the red jelly leche flan. After we mix this, we will boil it again.
One eternity later.
Whee! Okay.
We're going to put this in the caramel. We will use this because it's hot. Oh,
Wow.
nice.
Be careful. So we're done.
And we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. See you in a bit, guys.
Bye.
Hi, guys. So now we are going to taste the leche flan that we created a while ago. Nice. Parang chocolate cake.
Chocolate.
Yeah, mo na. Chicken.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.